admin number will be given. So immediately in the demo class, admin number will not be given. You have to wait it. So demo session is going on today, day 2. Okay, right. I said yesterday one statement. This batch belongs to core Java and full stack Java. Many people are confused with full stack Java. Not only you, who comes to the full stack Java, they are confused normally. Syllabus part, what components available, what are covered, and so on. Many confusions will be available under full stack Java generally. So this course belongs to, this course meaning is 7:30 batch, whatever the management announced, 7:30 PM, the batch is core Java batch and full stack Java batch. Both people can come. A student can learn only core Java or student can learn full stack Java. Full stack Java is a course name, means course name, and the role is full stack Java developer actually. Full stack Java. If you learn full stack Java, you will become a full stack Java developer. Is the meaning. Full stack Java developer means all rounder in the project. Yesterday I made a statement to you. All rounder in the project. All rounders will have demand in the market because they can do all the work. So all the work means what they can do means full stack Java course includes 5 modules. Full stack Java course includes 5 modules. One is programming module, or you can say Java module, you can say programming module or Java module, you can say. Under programming module, we will train core Java, we will train advanced Java, and we will train Spring to you. Spring. So Spring means Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring ORM, Spring JDBC, Spring Security, Spring Boot. So these many modules will be covered under Spring, and web services will be covered. Here we cover web services. Web services will be covered. Web services and microservices also covered. Under module 1, the course includes core Java, advanced Java, Spring, and web services. Online students, I cannot give the answer directly to you. If anybody kept that messages, directly I cannot answer it. You have to wait for the answers generally. So somebody asked one question to me yesterday because I'm repeating that point. Sir, if I take full stack, core Java is available, advanced Java available, they asked a question because in confusions, they don't know what it includes. So if we take full stack Java batch, module 1, we cover core Java, advanced Java, Spring, and web service, we cover it. Under database module, here we train Oracle to you and we train MySQL to you. So MySQL will be trained. So Oracle batch will be given to you directly. MySQL part of your advanced Java, we show how to connect to the MySQL, we show it. So under UI module, they cover HTML, they cover CSS, they cover JavaScript, they cover Angular. So whatever the latest version is available in Angular, they train it. Okay, right. Under testing module, manual testing, automated testing, under that we had Selenium to you. Means manual test terminology and Selenium. Majorly, they'll train Selenium to you. DevSecOps, development, security, operational tools. Development, security, operational tools. Every project will use the tools. So in the real time, what are the tools available? That all tools will be trained to you. Part of DevSecOps. It's a module. Okay, right. Total 5 modules together. They call it as a full stack Java. Just now, your admin, somebody is asking, I want admin number no here. So they kept one admin number here. The details. They kept one message from the admin. One minute. Because many people are putting a message to me. So online students who are asking admin number, admin is in the online for you. For offline students, admin will be available in the same campus. Mr. Manoj will be available there. You can contact him directly, offline students. So online students, you have to copy the number, what your admin has been displayed in the chat box to you. Right? Okay. Generally, somebody asked that question because more questions they kept non-related to subject. Beyond that, these are all management queries generally. They kept it, so I asked them to post it generally. Okay, right. So these are the modules. If anybody has doubt whether full stack will cover core, advanced or not, means I written here. It covers core, advanced, Spring, web service, and so on. So these are the modules. And one more confusion question to all. Sir, you said some parallel batch. 7:30 is core Java, fixed. The time has been fixed. 7:30 means core Java. Your programming module starts with core. After that, advanced. Somebody asked one question to me. Can I start advanced Java parallelly with core Java? You must not start it. LKG, UKG. What are learned from core Java, you must apply in advanced Java. To start advanced Java, you have to wait it. At least 20 to 25 days, you have to wait it to start advanced Java. You cannot start parallelly. Somebody asked that question, I am repeating. So these are the modules. Parallel batch means your management will give 2 more batches. One for Oracle, one for HTML, they'll give it. 2 batches, they'll give it. Sir, what is the timing of that batches? Other than 7:30, they'll give it. Means morning 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. Any one time they'll give it. Suppose the management announced morning 9 o'clock. Sir, I am not available in the 9 o'clock. So how sir means skip that batch and wait for the next time. Understood this point? And if it is not possible to you, don't take that batch and wait for the next batch. Next batch may come by morning 7 a.m. So that also not possible means skip it. Next batch may come in the evening 6 o'clock. Like this, management in the rotation basis, all the times they will cover and come in the batches. Immediately they will not start it because faculties will be busy now. In the rotation base, example, I am there. I took one core Java. Again, Venkatesh sir, core Java means it takes time now. And in the rotation base, one slot should be free or not now. In the rotation base now, every week one batch will come, one time will come. If the time is comfortable, you can pick it and cover it. If it is not comfortable, wait for the next batch. Sir, how informations will come? I will give it. Who will give the information means I will give. Sir, how will give the information? We maintain Google Classrooms, we maintain it. We maintain Google Classrooms here. In the Google app, here you can find Google Classroom. In this Google Classroom, our batches are there. These are the batches. These are the batches what I am running. Before you just now, I leave the 6 p.m. batch or not? 6 p.m. batch when you came. I am running 4 p.m. batch also. Morning 11 a.m. also. I'm running. So the batches I am executing. In this batch, the informations will be given. Whatever the information is there, we post it. We are posting the time or not now? When they are started roughly. We are posting no. Sir, how to join this Google Classroom in some process is there. All cannot join it. Who registered for this batch? Who want to continue in this batch? Your admins will add them into this Google Classroom that is monitored by Naresh IT. No personal WhatsApp groups are available with us. So if anybody tries personal WhatsApp groups, don't encourage them. We are part of one chat process organized by your management. This is a process. Can you see? I'm organizing 188 students, part of this 6 p.m. Core Java I'm organizing to the point. So I'll be there as a faculty and these are the students. So we'll be monitoring them. Our notes will be uploaded. Yesterday somebody asked me, sir, can I write a notes? No need. If you want to write running notes, you can write it. Because running notes means sometimes you can ask the question directly. Because after the class, we load the notes. No, it takes time. If running notes is there, immediately you can show to me. So if you want to maintain rough running notes, you can maintain. Complete document will come to you. Complete document will come to you. So whatever the batches we execute here, it is advanced. In advance, this is advanced batch. I upload almost 352 students in advance for me. Here, we upload the classes here. We upload the notes. This is the notes. On a daily basis, the notes will come. Like this. With the diagrams, programs, outputs, whatever we draw here, the total thing is available there. Just a student has to download that document and read it. Any assignments are there, you can do it. Any question if you want to ask me, instantly, one mail ID is there for the student where you can put your question there in the mail ID. I will reply it. Got it right? Every Saturday we'll have a review class for especially for online students, that point. Because online students, we don't know what happens. Network problem, voice problem, some screen problem, that problems will come suddenly for them. For offline students, I'm available directly to you. So whenever you want to come, you can come. I'm available here only. You can ask any admin, I want to meet Venkatesh Armin, they'll say my address. I'll be available in any one block and you can meet me. For offline students, you can come directly with your laptops, right? Already 5th floor, already lab is there. Programmers are there. They will rectify your problem. They'll explain your problem. Yesterday, somebody said to me, I am from Telugu medium, sir. Sir, if I don't understand, means need not worry. Programmers are available. They'll re-explain to you. Got it right? If I'm not available also, they are available to you. Morning onwards to evening onwards, they are available to you. You can speak to them. You can correct it. If you want more questions, you want to speak to me, you can speak to me directly. That is a way we process. Yesterday, day one, I not shown this all concept to you because yesterday you will be in one phobia. What is happening, we don't know. No? So day two, some people will be relaxed. Okay. Venkatesh sir is there. Some content is speaking. So some percentage I understood yesterday. I cannot say 100%, 5%, because my tone also gone actually, because the voice not coming. 5%, 10% I understood. Today some more clarity. Slowly, you'll be into tune. All batches are there, no? Almost we'll run 350 to 300 students. We run it. Suddenly not possible. So some queries will be answered slowly to you. Why I'm showing means few students asked me yesterday. I typed the notes yesterday. Yesterday, whatever I'm speaking, I'm typing and coming or not now. So studently new students came, 5-6 students came newly. Sir, how that notes to me, sir, I not written means soft copy will come. Understood now? Soft copy will come. First 9 videos will come. Demo videos. First 9 recordings will come to you. First 9 recordings. Only 9 recordings. After that, they will not give recordings. Yesterday, somebody asked a question to me. Can I have a video recording? Not possible. Right? First 9 recordings will come to you as a demo. These are the informations. Why I'm speaking means yesterday, these are the questions I got it. Some I filtered and I'm speaking to you. And more doubts are placement assistance generally. So Naresh IT nowadays hugely concentrating on placement. Frankly speaking, up to now Naresh IT concentrated on best training process. So at any cost in graduation study, they are not proper, training is available. So why don't we train properly in this area? Like this, your institute came into market. So in that way, many years they made a journey, giving some best training when compared to your graduation area by picking some faculties, trained faculties, something they will do. At last, they got one idea. Why? We are only giving a training, no? Then why don't we place it? So they gave into placement. Understood this point? And so nowadays, training and placement available in Naresh IT. You are independent of your passed out. Somebody yesterday written me, sir, 2017 passed out, 16 passed out, 18 passed out, 19 passed out. If you speak to somebody, they'll say, 2018, you are not a fresher, you will not get a job, they'll say. You don't worry about them. And you have to speak to me directly. If you speak to the friend, he don't know anything, no, he'll misguide you. You have to speak to the faculties. You have to speak to the management cells. They'll give the clarity. All will have some sources for recruitment. All will have some sources. This statement to be recorded. All will have some sources for recruitment. Management will give some sources of recruitment to you through Naresh IT. So Naresh IT concentrating on placements. Every month they release a list. How many of you has been placed in this month? And they'll give information to the student to motivate you how the placements are going on, right? In our room, how the placement occurs. Suppose who selected full stack Java developer, this is the fee you are going to pay it. Management, they will take care about that, but just they displayed, right? With that payment, after 70% of core, advanced and Oracle, management will conduct one test, technical test, based on core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. Who filtered in the test, and management will place you freely. With the same fee, they'll place it. Sir, why they are placing freely to me? Already you proved technically from our room, no? Sir, I learned, I passed your test. Then what is the advantage to means they'll place you. It's a concept. If they place it, what is the advantage now? Repetition will come to the management. So they are placing students now. Not only training, they had a placement. They call it as a 100% placement program, but you have to qualify the test in this room. So don't see your degrees and passed outs. Some other source is there for recruitment. When the days are going on, slowly, we are going to give the information to you. That's the point. So the outlines to you. Sorry, if I take full stack, I'll repeat 3 points. Full stack already you know. Through Naresh IT, full stack courses are aligned with NASSCOM, National Association of Software and Service Companies. One body is there, organized by Government of India, is going to monitor that body. Whenever you take admission into this full stack, management will put one mail to you. You have to fill all the details and documents. They'll upload your details to Government of India. From there, the certificate will come. With NASSCOM, full stack Java developer, the certificate is valid for all the IT companies who are feeling non-IT backgrounds. They have to take that certificate. It's valid. Sir, I am from non-related, sir. I came from some other non-related field. I came here. Can I have means you put a certificate in your resume? I am a full stack Java developer through NASSCOM, Government of India. So your certificate is accepted by all IT companies. Almost they given 11 courses to your Naresh IT. So among that first course is full stack only Java. With that full stack, complete modules available. In that full stack, project is available. Somebody asked one question to me. I remember the questions I'm speaking. Sir, I had a gap, 4 or 5 years gap is there. Sir, how I should prepare it? Means gap is there means you have to keep some experience, you have to keep it. Whenever you want to take experience, you must have a great command on the project generally. So for you, part of this course curriculum, project training is available. In that full stack, you will get a project. Certificate is available. Project is available. 100% placement program by clearing the test. So the 3 highlights of full stack Java course. Sir, I am core Java. No, sir. I am core Java student. Sir, for me, what are the highlights? Generally, if you are picking core Java means maybe you are planning after a few days advanced Java, or you have a time to pick advanced Java later on. If not, I came here core Java to Selenium testing tools. I came here core Java to some other Android you came. So like this, they are picking only core Javas. If any clarity, if you want it, you can speak to me bit personally. Sir, I'm planning Android, I'm planning Selenium, I'm planning some other ERP, I'm planning some Spark, Hadoop, ADF. They are all depending upon core Java. You can speak to me. What is your career? If it is full stack Java, these are all needed and certificate you are taking. Any core Java students, if you want any clarity, you can speak to me. What is your career domain? You came here for Java developer. If not, you came here to become or build a career in testing, build a career in Android, build a career in DevOps, build a career in UI, build a career in any tools like ADF, Spark, Hadoop. Many people are there who are depending upon core Java. You can speak to me. I'll give the guidelines to it. Clear everyone? Right. These are the highlights. Yesterday, one more student asked me a question. What is the difference between structured programming and object-oriented programming? I not answered that question. The reason, on the day one, I cannot speak that hugely. My course when started, when the objects has been introduced, we are going to speak about that technical aspects very clearly, very internally. Now we are speaking only oral, we are speaking. No? In demo, we speak oral, right? What are available, what it contains, and so on. So these are hope few questions I answered, I think. Again, somebody is asking recording videos. So recordings are not given to from the management. Official recording is not available. Somebody asked one question to me yesterday. Sir, I came to online. 5 days if I want to go home, can I take a link? Somebody asked me a question. Actually, Venkatesh sir is a subject expert. Generally, that question belongs to management. Difference getting or not? They are giving or not giving. I don't know what options they had it. So I am a subject expert. Difference getting no. Some queries I cannot answer that query. Frankly speaking, they'll give or not. Also, I don't have information. But with proper request to the management, you can take it. Possibilities are there to you to pick it with proper approach and proper request. It is possible. Somebody asked that question yesterday. I said not possible. I contacted management and said with the proper request and if it is a genuine and proper, we'll release that ID out. Got it now? This is demo ID. They'll change the IDs. right? For security purpose, they'll change it and come. So somebody asked that question, I'm answering to you. Hope these are your final outline doubts. Yesterday I not answered a few questions to you because under that questions I cannot see some questions. So my way is like this. Daily I'll take one concept without accepting any request. I'll be delivering that content. I'll be delivering that content to you. After content delivery has been completed, then we accept the request. First, you have to watch that component, know what it is, where it is, right? After complete content delivery has been completed, at last we accept the query. Why means we are not a single batch trainers, no. So almost I also released 130 batches. I'm starting 133 batch in core Java. So hope we had a huge experience to deal about that component. So we'll be more confident also in releasing. Unless we cannot state this much of confidently in front of you. So we deliver that content to you for first 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes. We take one concept and we deliver it. So student has to listen it, what it is. Then the doubts we are expecting from the student, whether you understood or not, we take the queries. This process will be repeated. In that process, sometimes assignments will be given more highly in our courses. Daily assignment will be there. You take any feedback, my branches, daily they'll have one assignment. Saturday came means now 6 p.m., 4 p.m. when no, they had a huge assignment for tomorrow. They have to work it. If they're really learners, they'll work it. If they are not learners, they'll drop it. So we look for the learners in this area. So assignments will be very high, right? That assignments also we frame it. What are the concept running? The concept we explain theoretically, syntactically, grammatically with the program. I've seen the diagrams now. We draw the diagrams and we give the assignment based on it. The student who understood that 100%, they will do it. Sometimes who not properly listen, they fail in some 90%. After they'll fail it. 80% after they'll fail it. We recorrect them slowly and we come out. This is the process. So my notes will come to you directly. Daily I'll deliver one content. After content, I'll accept the request. More assignments will be given to you. Review is available on every Saturday. Every Saturday we had a review on the concept. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What has been happened? How many programs we typed? Whether all covered that programs or not? Anybody struck down or not? Any assignments need solutions? We write it and give to you. This is a process of training. So notes also available to you directly. You are here as a listener silently. You must listen it. Any points you want, record it, and you can bring that book and ask to us and clarify it. So practically, if you are not understanding, offline students, directly bring your laptop and show to me. Directly, you can bring and carry your laptops and show to me. If time not available, you can go and sit in the lab there. So programmer will come to you. He'll ask what you want. Show the notebook and program. He'll take one pencil and explain to you what it is. If any not confident in English language, what you are not understanding, what I'm speaking, the students has to work a bit hard for 15 days by taking support of your lab coordinators. Once you are into the track, automatically you can write the programs. This is a total process we are going to follow. So timer based anyway, full stack Java will take 5 to 6 months, I said, and my core Java will take 55 to 60 sessions. I will take it, working sessions. Generally, management will write 45 sessions, they'll write. Generally, but why I write 60 sessions means next week also total demos, demo in the sense introductions only. What is the software, where to install it, where to set a path, where to run it. They are all not included in the content, no, generally. So if we count this 1 week, that is added. So by we are saying the duration maximum 60 working sessions it will come. We are going to decrease them. When the course started, we are going to decrease them slowly and come to the points. So finally, I'll repeat what has been happened yesterday. Because of day one, some subject also I want to touch it. So I touched the subject also yesterday. Okay, right. The subject is, I made one statement to you yesterday. We are here for learning language. Java comes under language category. It is not a tool. It is language. Moreover, many people will have fear about Java. Yes or no, na? Your friends will say Java means lengthy code is there, hard will be there, negatives will be there for us generally. So why negatives will be there generally means, if we take Windows operating system, if we take Linux operating system, which one is more user friendly? Which one is more user friendly? Windows or not now? This is Windows is more user friendly than Linux. Linux needs separate training or not? Even one fifth class boy also can click this Windows operating system. Now say, which one is more secured? Windows or Linux? Linux is more secure, no. Wherever the security is there, interaction will be very less. Java also secured. It looks very hard. There is a reason. Why? Java, when compared to other languages, bit lengthy will be there. Frankly speaking, bit lengthy. Why means we are in the market for security. So our framings will be different. But once you learn it, you can survive in many technologies, you can survive it. That is Java. Finally, you are sitting in one Java language room. Whenever you want to start one language, I made a statement. We have to start with alphabets. We must learn grammar. We must learn construction rules. That is a process. Yesterday, one of your friend asked me a question I not answered. Sir, C and C++ is some term he used. So some grandparent or parent to all the languages, they'll say, right? Okay. Sir, without C language, can I come to Java language? Means you can come. No problem. Directly making a statement to you, you can come. Sir, how can I come without C language? The reason that two are two different languages, no? Whenever you came to my room, Venkatesh sir will be speaking in the English language. Whatever I know English language, I'll be speaking it out. I never speak C language here. Then why to learn and come here? Whenever you want to come to my room, you must know English language, not C language. All of you understood the statement, what I'm making now, right? So many people asked me to learn C language. Learn it. Why we have to learn C language? To pass your examinations for your companies. Any company papers are there, C language, logical programming is there. You have to pass them. But working is not in C, working in Java. Yes or no? Na? Your role is Java, but they'll give a C paper to you. So C is not a working domain. Java is working domain. Difference you're getting or not now? Java is working domain. Example, you take myself. I entered into Java by 2001 to 2002. This Java, I started from 2001, 2002, my final year, I started. Till now, only Java. Almost 20, 22 years completed to me, attached with 20 Java. As a developer, as a corporate trainer, as a mentor, many roles we played in these 20 years. But all are with Java. At last, what happened to me? I don't know single program in C language today. I don't know what is happening in C language also today. How they will write the program also, I'll forget it. Because we never speak also to the C people. Because we never bring the C grammar here. Why I'm speaking that point repeatedly to means somebody asked that question. The languages are different. I made a statement. Every language will have its own alphabets, grammar, and construction rules. So C language different, Java language different. Some terminologies will be same. Here variable, here array, here string, here function, here method, here file. Some terminologies will be similar, but grammatically not same. They are different. You can learn two languages, but don't mix the grammar. That's the statement. Every language will have its own alphabets, grammar, and construction rules. The statement. If I want to enter into Java, you must start two parts. Everybody should learn two parts. One is core Java, one is advanced Java. You have to start it. If I come to core Java, you are sitting in this room. Core Java room, this is indirectly. Sir, what is available in core Java? Alphabets training is available. Programming concepts training is available. Object-oriented programming features training is available. So we concentrate on alphabets, concepts, and features. So what are the alphabets? I written a list to you. What are the concepts? I made a list to you. What are the features? I made a list to you. Just giving one awareness what that core Java contains. All of understood now, right? Sir, if I complete my core Java, what I'm going to do in the market? Suppose I completed my core Java. Sir, what I'm going to do in the market means you can develop stand-alone applications. Today's class starts with definition about stand-alone applications. Make a statement. Who are maintaining a notes, write it. For at least 1 week, maintain a notes, because Monday onwards, program definition. Next week program, I'm saying to you. Program definition, program stages, software introduction, software versions, difference between JDK, JRE, installing the product, writing the program, and running the program. This is a schedule for next week. By next week, by Saturday, everybody will run one program. That's the target. First week, course, first week, the student should run one program. Then we'll take a feedback. Are you comfortable with the Java or not? We'll take the feedback. Who are comfortable, they will travel. Who are not comfortable, they'll drop it. Difference you getting now? First, the student should know the flavor or not now. So that one we keep in the week 1. So I done my own work, sir. Whatever the notes you are giving, I'm writing, going home, reading, practical I'm doing. At last, I done my work in the first week. Means you are confident, you can travel. It is repeated. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Every week one schedule will be there for us. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Like this 6 weeks, we keep one program. After 6 weeks, we take a feedback. Whether you are able to write your own program. That's the point. Not writing my program. You have to write your own program. My program, copy, paste, answer will come. No, sir, I am creating my own program. That is 6th week. If you are creating own program, 7, 8, 9, 10, the course will be ended. Right? So that is a ways and stages we collect from the student. It takes time. Language training, no, it takes time. So for this, first week is the test week. Sir, I am from non-IT background. After I not yet touched any computer. I don't know where to save it. Whether we are going to test that student, whether he is doing his own work or not. That only first week program. For that, before 2 demo classes, yesterday and today, giving awareness to the student, what core Java contains, what advanced Java contains. These 2 are mandatory. What is the core schedule includes. Like this, the discussion is there, no? That's called demo. 2 days demo will conduct it. Today is the day 2. Make it. Today's date is 11/6/2022. I am calling it as day 2. Here, note. Using core Java components and concepts, using core Java components and concepts, we can develop stand-alone applications. We can develop stand-alone applications. We can develop stand-alone applications. Sir, what is this standalone application? FAQ? FAQ means frequently asked question in your interview. Define standalone application. Define stand-alone application. Define stand-alone application. The application which is installed in one computer and performs actions in the same computer. The application which is installed in one computer and performs actions in the same computer is known as stand-alone application or Windows application or desktop application. Desktop application. The application which is installed in one computer and performs actions in the same computer. I made one statement to you already. I'll be reading, I'll be typing. Daily the notes will be typed. Whatever I'm speaking, I'll be typing there. After typing, as when the class ended, the diagrams I'll attach the notes and I'll upload it. That is happening in all the classes. Okay, right. So because I'm typing the definitions also. Okay, right. So here, standalone applications means like this. Suppose in this, I am opening one calculator program. This is a calculator. This calculator is standalone. Alone means single. That is installed in that computer, works in the same computer. So I'll click on 5, sum into 9 like this. Actually stand alone. Why you are calling it as alone means HTML input not available, servers not available, databases not available. Such application we call it as stand-alone application. Means to execute this program, I am not opening any web browser. I am not opening any web browser. I am not owning any Tomcat server or any server. Moreover, database connection also not available. If these three are not there, such application. So here I'm making a statement. Note. According to developer, according to developer, stand-alone application means, according to developer, Standalone application means no HTML input, no server environment, no server, no database storage, no database storage. Such applications, we call it as stand-alone applications. Right. Look here. Only core Java jobs will not be there. Frankly speaking, only core Java job will not be there. Why means core Java means you can develop only standalone. HTML not there, server not there, database not there. But today, minimum all the applications are having HTML input, server is there, database is there. Because of this reason, they will not recruit any resource from the market who knows only core Java. They look advanced Java also. If you know core and advanced, they'll pick it. If you know only core Java, you can develop only standalone applications. Standalone application development also very less done by the Java developers. That's the meaning. Standalone means what? No HTML input, no server, no database. No, sir. I want all these three. I want HTML input. I want server environment. I want database. Then the course goes to part 2. That only part 2. Advanced Java is the part 2. Make a heading part 2. Advanced Java will provide it. Right. Advanced Java provide the following technologies. The following technologies. Advanced Java provide the following technologies to construct web applications. To construct web applications. Underline the term web applications. Look here. You don't worry about the remaining things only. I know C language, I don't know C language. I am from IT, I am from non-IT. I had a gap. All you leave it only. First come to the class and write some notes and read it. Remaining all solutions are there. Remaining all solutions are there. Subject learning is important. Remaining all some solutions are there. For everything solution is there, you don't worry. Generally students means very aggressive will be there, you people. Because of not proper clarity. You are not experienced, no? Just now you entered into the market. Clarity will not be there. You will try to run somewhere, but catch the subject. Because many stories we know in the market already. Example, 4 p.m. batch only, not 4 p.m. Some student who passed out. He is in Capgemini today. His package is 12 lakhs per annum. One of our student, right? But whenever he joined on core and advanced only, 4 years completed. Since 4 years, he not updated. Market is going, no, he must update it. So he stopped updating. He is getting one package. He stopped updating. At last, what happened now? He had a good designation. He had good amount per month. He had good brand of company. He has good status in the society. Subject not there. Daily tension only, no. Observe this point or not now. Remaining all tension only. Daily one client meeting. Friday comes, he never sleep and a client meeting will come. He came and asked us, sir, any supporter is there? How much I want it, I'll pay it. Please give a supporter. Because my job is under threat. My job is under threat. How much you want, I'll pay it, sir. Anybody is there, you show it. I said to him, why you stopped learning? Why you stopped learning? So this all story is what now? Subject is there, remaining all will come. So remaining questions are secondary. I am from non-IT, I am from IT. All solutions are there, Andy. You don't worry. But what I am writing, no, that you have to read first. Slowly, we increase income. That's the process we do. We trainers. Your duty is to be regular. Read the notes on the daily basis. Do all our assignments and correct it. That's the way. So today I'm introducing one more application, that is web application I'm introducing. First I written the definition, standalone application, no? Now I'm going for which application now? Web application. Whenever you want to develop web application, whenever you want to construct web application, I said 3 technologies, JDBC, Servlet, and JSP. Servlet and JSP. These 3 we call it as technologies generally. Now, sir, what is that web application? I want to know. Make it. FAQ. Define web application. After that, I'll write JDBC. Define web application. Define web application. Web application means internet application. Web application means internet application. The application which is executing in web environment or internet environment. The application which is executing in web environment or internet environment is known as web application. Web application. Sir, can you say one example for web application? www.irctc.co.in. You're booking a trains or not now? That is web application only. That comes under web application. Just meaning and application running in internet world. We call it as web application. Sir, I want some view. Web application means I want some view. So structure of web application. Make a sliding. I'm drawing some structure of web application. Structure of web application. Structure of web application. Look here. Now, here, if we take irctc.co.in, you take it. Sir, we take one web browser. This is our web browser. We take one web browser like this. Web browser. We take some web browser. In the background, database. Example for database is Oracle. Now, our user, our user or client. Now, in between this, we had web application. Web application. So in between, we had a web application. Okay, right. Now see there what happens. Now my user entered into what I'm speaking, listen it 5 minutes, because day 2, some target you have to set it. You came into this market to do something. You cannot, roughly you cannot go, no. Daily I'm coming, sir, going, sir, sleeping, sir. Again I'm coming, sir, going, sir. You cannot do it, no. Some target should be there. Then only you can achieve something. Without a target daily come also, reason will not be there. Already much time has been wasted, I think, up to now. Many areas. Here you cannot repeat that, no. So definitely one target. This is your target. What I'm drawing is your target. Okay, right. Take irctc.co.in. Now user will put a query. The query is, I want to see the trains. I'm repeating that statement yesterday. I want to see the trains available from Secunderabad to Tirupati on date June 15th. I want to make a journey on June 15th. I want to see the trains from Secunderabad to Tirupati. Now, the query is generated, means request generated. Somebody has to take the request. The request is taken by servlet. servlet. This now I written here now, servlet. Servlet means server program. The program running in server. Java program running in server. That's all. Right? Okay. So the servlet will take the request. The servlet will take the request. I will take the request. Now I must give the answer, no? Servlet has to give the answer. Whenever I want to give the answer, in the database, one table is there. That is train table. Roughly I'm speaking. Train table, where all trains are available there only, with date wise, with hourly wise, all details are available in the database, means storage. All are available there. Now our Java program should get the data from that database. Now whenever I want to interact with the database, database will not understand Java language. It understands SQL. Means what, Andy? SQL stands for what now? Structured Query Language. Your databases will understand structured query language. For that, we take the support of JDBC. We take the support of JDBC. JDBC means Java Database Connectivity. Connections will happen there. Okay, right. Now here, database connection is available here. Now, your servlet will send details to JDBC. Your servlet will send information to JDBC. Understood this point or now? That JDBC will write a query. Select a star from train where query language is there or not now. So it frames one query and run it. It frames one query and run it. After running the query, result will come. Result will come. When the result came, suppose 10 trains result came. Whenever the 10 trains result came now JDBC will give the information to servlet. I brought 10 trains. What I should do? Then the servlet will say, JSP, you come. Servlet, JSP, you come. JSP means Java server page. One page is coming as output from server. That only JSP. Now the servlet will activate the JSP. JSP will take the data from here. Whatever the 10 trains details are there, it takes and put it onto web browser. That is response. That is response. Now the response will come. Now these three components played a role now. Servlet, JSP, JDBC. The three played a role or not now? The three comes under advanced Java. The three comes under what now? Advanced Java. In advanced Java, we train the student how to take the request from web browser. The request generated into query and getting the result and putting onto web browser by using JSP. How we have to do, we do it from your advanced. So this is the cyclic process. Now in this cyclic process, we are asking the students to start 3 batches parallelly. We are asking the students to start 3 batches parallelly. For web application, I started with core Java. For web application development today, I started with core Java. Then I'll go for advanced Java. These two are available, there are not now. So in this web application development, I will take core Java, then advanced Java. Sir, here, if it is here now, web browsers will not understand your Java again. Web browser understand which language now? HTML. What is HTML now? Hypertext Markup Language. So we are asking the students to go with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So fundamentally, you must start these 3 here. So their core Java is going on, here HTML is going on. So here you are selecting Oracle or not now? All of you understood this point now, right? So here Oracle. So how many batches you have to start it now? 3 batches. What are they? Core Java highest priority. Why highest priority? You are a full stack Java developer. You are not full stack HTML developer. You are not full stack Oracle developer. First priority core Java, right? Second priority should be HTML and Oracle. That all I said to you, parallel batch. Sir, why I should attend parallel batch? Suppose if you take 25 days duration, you take it. I am asking, after 25 days, I will send you for advanced, I am saying. Okay, right? Until 25 days, we never send a student to advance. In these 25 days, we'll train core Java. In these 25 days, HTML. In these 25 days, Oracle. Understood or not now? After that, with that 3 knowledges, you are entering into advanced Java. Understood this point or not now? In advanced Java, application development will come. Have you got it? Because of this reason, placement assistance program test also, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle. This 3 only test is available. So from now, you started core Java, look for HTML, look for Oracle. Monday, I'll give the informations when that batches will be started, in which time they'll be started. I'll speak to you on Monday with it clearly. Now through this diagram, you got the information, no? I must start 3 batches first. Testing, you don't start it. Don't start that tools. DevSecOps, don't start it. I will say when to start. Understood this pointer? And I'll guide you when to start. Now you can start HTML, core, Oracle. Here doubt will come, student. Sir, parallelly is it possible or sir means possible? Because they are all different. Here what language now in Oracle? SQL. In web browser, what language now? HTML. In our area, Java. 3 different languages now. You can maintain 3 books. One HTML notebook, one core Java book, one Oracle book. Write the notes and close it. Write the notes and close it. Go to the lab. First 1 hour HTML, second 1 hour core Java, third 1 hour Oracle. Like this, 3 to 4 hours practically you have to do. Understood this point? Yes or no? Na? Right. All are prepared to work 4 hours per day in practical? Say yes or no louder to me. That only. If you can work 4 hours practical with 3 modules parallelly, you can find the change in you after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Definitely change will come. Sir, 1 month completed, sir. My hostel fees also 1 month over, sir. Change not occurred means you are in the threat. Something you are wasting the time. You have to recorrect it. Sir, I came to Hyderabad on June 1st, sir. Now it is July 1st. Again, I paid a fee to my hostel, sir. But in these days, what I learned means, on the day one, how I am today also, how I mean, sir, wasted the time now. Again, the same repeated process. That you have to be alert. That you have to be alert, especially in our area. It is not a graduation study, no. Career-oriented rooms. So our target is 3 batches parallelly. Remaining 2 batches, I'll give the information on Monday at what time they'll be started. If anybody started yesterday, somebody is saying, sir, morning 9 a.m. HTML I am started, sir. Oracle I started means if you started, well and good, go ahead. No problem. Any new batches are there, I'll announce it on Monday to you. All of you got this idea? Right. So draw this diagram in one paper and keep it. After 2 months, this is June and July. By first week of August, I must write my own application like this. Understood this point now? I also must write my own application. On that day, you can ask a package. Sir, which company, sir? Which package I must take it? You can ask it. Until then, you cannot ask a package. You are not eligible also. If you cannot write one application in full form, taking request from web browser, generating one query and running on database, collecting the output and reconstructing output in the form of JSP, if you can do that process by your own, sir, I am doing means you are eligible for the market. Understood now? That is your target. 2 months time for you. Set the target and travel it. This is a day 2 information to you. I'll write definition about Servlet, JSP and JDBC, one line. All of you read? What core Java contains? Alphabets, concepts and features. What advanced Java contains now? JDBC, Servlet and JSP. Using core Java, what you will construct now? Standalone applications. Using advanced Java, what you will construct now? Web applications. That is a summary. Right. I am writing one line under each. Anybody drawing, and can I wait it? Right. See there, one point under each. JDBC. JDBC stands for Java database connectivity and which is used to interact with database. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity and which is used to interact with database. Servlet means server program. Servlet means, look here, I only will give the information when to start advanced, because as a core Java trainer, I knows up to what stage you must need for advanced. We know that. We only will make you to start it, right? Oracle HTML, you start it. So advanced Java, I only will announce the date to you. After which date you have to start it, because core Java trainers, we know up to what knowledge we have to give to the student to send for advanced. We build that knowledge and we send it, right? We'll take care about that. You don't worry. That's called server program. So servlet means server program and which accepts the request from user or client using web browser. Using web browser. JSP stands for Java Server Page. Java Server Page, and which is response from web application, which is response from web application. In day 2, you got small clarity when compared to day 1. Yes or no? Right. In day 2, the clarity is you must start Oracle, HTML, core Java parallelly. Parallelly means whenever the time is there, you have to start it. The times I'll display to you on Monday. Find your flexible time and join it. Advanced Java, I will monitor when to start it. Remaining all, I will monitor. Got it right? Any batch, if you are not taken in the future, sir, Selenium not completed, sir, I not attended, means you must say to me, right? Somewhere I'll be sitting there, sir, I unfortunately I missed my class and on means I'll say the batch when it starts and where to go. If you want to sit there, I'll call somebody of management and I'll adjust there. So like this, you can speak to me and you can adjust it. I'll be monitoring the course. Got this point, right? Any placements are there, I'll post in the Google Classroom. I'll give the placement information also. Fresher placements are there, we'll give information. And any fresher recruitment related questions are needed, we'll guide you. This 6 p.m. batch person got a job and he is from BSc Computers. He's not BTech. He took 7 lakhs today. He got package today, 7 lakhs. BSc Computers. So 1.5 year gap is there. He filled that 1.5 gap with the Naresh IT certificates. He filled it. So he proved technically very strong. He proved core advanced completed. He's attending Spring already. Spring, he already started Spring. He completed HTML, CSS, JavaScript. He completed core advanced. He started Spring. So advanced and core in the last part. He got 7 lakhs per today. But suddenly, any opportunities is there, we'll announce to you. Right? You can apply it, you can crack it. Nothing is there. You had that eligibility. But all this corner point is subject ending. That statement you have to record it. Subject will play a role. Right? Remaining all secondary. Sir, my friend is working in TCS, sir. I am working in XYZ company, sir, means who will see the company ending? So you are not going to stay with the company for lifelong, no. Who will be with you for lifelong means subject will come. Subject only will travel with you. Packages will be changed. Your location also will be changed. Hyderabad to Bangalore, Bangalore out of country also will go. Location also will be changed. Company also will be changed. What is not changed means subject not changed. You have to catch the component which is unchanged. That is subject. I made one statement. For everything, one solution is there. Need not worry. With proper discussions with that, we are going to guide you. We are going to suggest you. But meanwhile, be busy in learning the subject. So what is your target within 2 months means this application is my target, sir. I came to Amirpet to learn something. Within 2 months, I must write my own application. That's your target. Got it right? On that day, you must complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Oracle, Core Java, Advanced Java, almost 60 to 70%. You'll write your applications. That's the target. Within 2 months, by first week of August, you must write your own application. Clear, right? This is day 2. Can we take a break for day 2? Right. Okay. So day 1, small introduction. Day 2, small introduction. According to me, demo is ended. Third day, I'll go into subject. Already subject is there, but I'll start my subject part. So demos are, that also demo. Demo means a student can come. Management will give a time to you for the payments and so on. That you don't worry, they'll take it. But as a trainer, I'm entering into subject from day 3. Got it right? First 20 minutes, we had a review. What has been happened. And one more application introduction will be done in first 20 minutes. After that, we are entering into syllabus part. Got it right? So one more information to you. Sunday, no class. The classes will run from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday is a review class normally. On demand, we call on Sunday. Sometimes we trainers will call the